Not sure if I'm live back. Not sure if I'm live back. Am I? I believe so. Yep, sounds like it. Whoa! Okay, guys, we had like a blue screen of death though. That was out of nowhere.
Oh, you back up?
Yeah, I am.
All right.
You here? Can you hear me? Sorry for that, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what the hell happened, but yeah. I believe that Visual Studio is sentient. It has
Visual
become
Studio.
sentient, guys.
Took over your computer.
It took over a computer. It was very random because I wasn't even touching the computer. I was actually on my other computer checking the C# for Eclipse, and then this one just crashed. So I don't know. That was weird.
Yeah, that's really strange.
Yep. Meh. One of the one-time things. Yeah, I was looking for C# thing. C# for Unity. C# Eclipse Unity. Apparently, it can open like the right file, but it will open it as a notepad. As a notepad. That's for Android.
Yeah, I do not like that when FDT does that. It's very annoying.
What?
When you go to open a file and it doesn't open it as code.
Oh, yeah.
Like, my god, that was so annoying. It hasn't been doing it to me lately, but... Ugh. I hated that.
Well, actually, if I do that, I won't have access to the breakpoints.
Oh, yeah, that's a problem.
Mono develop has it. I don't know. Let me open the Mono develop just to see. I want to do some tests.
Yeah, I think that's the other problem with Vim, is that technically it's just a code editor. You'd have to do all your breakpoints and debugging and something else.
Yeah, same thing with Sublime Text actually.
Yeah. I mean, I really like all these editors and stuff, but just you can't really get any better than a really good IDE.
Yeah, I mean, if there was a better solution for everybody, everybody will be using it already.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, you can't escape reality. Hang on, I was looking for assets. No, I just want to check out. Is that it? No.
I'd consider looking a little bit more seriously for a like a Vim style plugin for Eclipse,
Yeah.
but I had so much trouble just getting the dark theme. And still, to this day, I open up FDT, it uses the default color scheme. I have to re-import the color settings that I downloaded, and then I have to go into Windows and Preferences and apply the color settings.
Okay,
Every single time I open FDT.
that sounds easy.
Yeah, it's super
That's
annoying.
You're not supposed to interface with your computer that way. What? Use Notepad. Yeah, no crash, no problems. I do agree. Okay, so there we go. I have it here. How can I open other? I just want to see like. Good formatting. It's maybe a bit late to do that, but yeah, my friend, the one that joining the team very soon, in 2 weeks actually. In 2 weeks he's gonna join the team, and he's been working with Mono Develop for the past 3 years.
Oh, nice.
So he must have like, he must know a bunch of our shortcuts now.
Nice.
Control space. Still a bit of a lag. If I go like min game dot, not that bad. Update. Yeah, that's good. Not bad. Trying to look the preference or. There's no preference. Where is it? Tool option. Voila. Key binding. Voila. Okay, so open. Open folder. Open this. Open that. Open. 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 No, I want the type. And I do like open type. Go to type. Control Shift T. Oh, okay. Why didn't I try it? That's stupid. I didn't even try it, but it is Control T. Look at that.
Nice.
Ah, sweet. Can I control click? Probably not. Probably not control click. Okay, but I'm pretty sure I can have a go to definition or something.
Yeah, that was the one thing that I really liked about Vim is if you wanted to
Go to declaration. There you go. F12.
yeah,
Yeah.
if you want like just putting your cursor over something, instead of having to like control click on it or something, you could actually call it like create a command
Okay.
where you actually press colon and then you could call it like def. So you could you could actually create an alias for the colon that's just a semicolon. So if you wanted to really quickly go to the definition of something, you could just colon def enter, and then it would do exactly what you wanted.
Okay. Sweet.
Which is why I really like the plugins, but meh.
I have go to next, go to. There's one thing I want to know if is can I go like Alt F? Probably not Alt F. Yeah, I cannot do Alt F. Alt F. Alt left. It's the like go to prev. So if I'm in a file, for example, and then I go here, I want to go back to that file because I just went. I was just there. That is something I really love.
Yeah.
Yeah, go to next or something. Next bookmark, probably not. Go down one page, go to end document, matching previous line, go to up one page, nope.
Does that work in FTT, by the way?
Yeah, I use that all the time. Alt left and Alt right. Just go to previous document.
So it goes to the document that you had open last?
Yeah, let me show you.
Oh my god, I did not know that.
Dude, that's yeah. Put that in your brain right now. I'm using that all the time. All the time.
Oh my god, because yeah, I always do that where I, Control Shift T and I go to like model whatever in and then I want to go back to the file that I was just working on.
Yeah.
Holy shit!
Just for
I'm
you
gonna
guys.
try that.
By the way,
I'm gonna try that right now.
Like
Right after I import all my color settings again.
damn. Yeah, so if I go, I don't know, model, player, Patreon, object type, okay, I go there and then I go there. I can do Alt left and it goes back, and Alt right goes right, no? So when you go from places to places, it's actually, dude, I mean, you need that. You need that.
Oh my god, I do. That is amazing.
The goal is to never touch your mouse ever.
Yeah.
And that will help
Yeah.
you.
Which is why I really think that.
Vim is cool.
Anyway. Yeah, but again, it's a matter of finding a plugin that'll do it, and my FTT is already so unstable.
Well, I will be arguing that you can do that even without Vim, though. Like, if you have a bunch of shortcuts and shit, you could actually do everything with the keyboard, even with Notepad. I believe so.
You could, but the really nice thing about Vim was that all the movement within a file was binded to keyboard shortcuts.
Okay.
So if you wanted to go down, and especially if you had relative line numbers enabled, you could be on one line and you could look and say, oh, okay, so I need to go down to this function. And with relative line numbers enabled, it would tell you, oh, this function is 54 lines away. So you would actually say, what was down? I think it was J was to go down one line. you would do J22, and it would actually like drop you down 22 lines right onto the line you wanted to be on.
Okay.
So yeah, like all of the movement within a file was all done entirely through keyboard shortcuts.
Oh shit! I found it.
You did?
Found it. It's Control Alt left and Control Alt right. I'm dying. But yeah, I can just do this instead. Yeah, I might try Modo Develop a bit.
Give it a shot, because like I said, I think it's been a couple of years since I've actually used it, so it's probably improved quite a lot.
Yeah, because I know I did try it when like 2010 Unity 2. I tried to build my stuff with Mono Develop, but it was using Unity script. Even though the script was in there, I only used it when I actually needed breakpoints. I opened up Mono Develop and then I was control. I was putting a breakpoint. Otherwise, I was only using Sublime. I was actually using Sublime because Mono Develop was suck ass so much. But now it feels it's good. So if I press this, debug, building, 0 error, 33, this, and then I have to go there, right? Yeah, I have to go there, and then I have to go this. I think that's it. Yeah. Yep. So how about if I do this, I go into main game, and then I go here, I do this instead, like that. And then I just go with, yes. Yes, fuck it. I use Mono Develop right now. I use it all the time. Because I can change the code while it's on debug.
Oh, very nice.
On VS it says like, no, you have to stop me first, and then you stop it, and then blah blah blah. I don't know why. I don't like it.
Yeah, the ability to edit the code while the program is running is really nice.
Yep.
So I actually did find something called VRapper.
Yeah, then drummer, Control Alt direction. Yeah, in Windows it does not do that, right? Yeah, I'm gonna switch it for Alt left actually, not Control Alt left, because I've been using that all the time. Yay! Look at that, we have our dancing dude.
Oh my god.
What?
Latch.
What?
Oh, I'm so happy. I found a plugin for Eclipse that works like Vim, and
look at it's a coding jizz like right live.
Dude, oh, it's so good.
What's that?
Oh my god.
A Vim Eclipse.
So I'm just gonna link you to this right now because with Eclipse you can just go install new software and search this. And I'll drop it in Twitch chat too. I just searched VRapper, and yeah, I'm very happy with what I see right now.
Hey, the life is yours, man. How you doing? Okay. VRapper is Eclipse plugin which acts like the wrapper for Eclipse text editor, a Vim like input. Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Sounds beautiful. Ah! Life is yours! So funny. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you very much. Oh, look at those faces and this emoticon. Sweet. Sweet. Yeah, the last thing will be how to change the freaking view because it's all white. It has to be, it has to have a freaking... Oh, that's rename, okay. Toggle suggestion mode, folding, format. Alright.
I'm very happy I found this plugin. Because I don't know if you do this a lot, but whenever I'm trying to find something and I want to just swap a word out for something, like a function name, you double click on it and it selects the whole name.
Yeah.
The thing that I remember the most is you hit V to select something,
Okay.
and then you just do E, and it moves the cursor to the end of the word, and you hit C, and it removes everything that you've selected and puts you in insert mode so that you can just type in the new thing.
Ah, okay, gotcha. Ah, nice.
So with like 3 keystrokes, you do what you would have had to by moving the mouse, double-clicking, and then moving your hand back to the keyboard and type it out.
Okay. Well, what I do is actually this most of the time. I navigate while doing Control Left. So when you do Control Left, you skip words.
Yeah, Control Shift, and you just can like
Yeah, and
select
then I do
chunks.
this, and then I change the thing.
Yeah, I do the same thing.
Okay, well, I don't know what happened, but I think it automatically changed the. Yeah, okay. I will have to check that out. Anyway, it must be like a not white, like a black.
Oh, a theme?
A black view, yeah, black theme.
Yes, I had one for MonoDevelop. I'm like 99% sure there's one if you just go and look in like window
Yeah,
preferences.
that's where I'm looking right now.
Oh, sorry, I can't see your.
Ah, yeah, sorry.
Like, I just see the stream from a couple of seconds later.
Boot, voilà.
Oh, I just saw it on stream. There was a Solarized Dark, I think, is one that I really like. Obsidian is also really good too.
And where do you see that?
You just selected it
What?
like
Code
30
template.
seconds ago.
Syntax, code completion, behavior, marker general. Where was it? I'm stupid. General.
I'm actually
no.
not sure.
Ah, voilà. Syntax highlighting. Oblivion.
Yeah, I like Oblivion.
Yeah, looks good. Monokai. I think I know Monokai actually.
I think that's actually I use a I created my own view for FTT because I couldn't find one that I really liked.
Okay.
But for a while there, I was using a slightly tweaked version of Monokai.
Okay. Okay, good. I'll take this one. This one looks good. And last thing will be now this is black, but the rest of MonoDevelop is not.
Yeah.
Is that like
I
sucks
don't-
to be you?
I don't know, honestly.
Oh. Oh shit, okay. Yeah, because I don't like the fact that this is black and the rest is all white.
Yeah,
It-
no, that's
it fucks with
fuck-
my yeah, it fucks with my brain.
Yeah, it's super annoying.
Yeah, it seems to be it says like rename the file this located there to this.
Oh, they want you to go in there and like
Yeah, change like DLLs and shit. I must not be the first one who does that. I am.
no.
Well, I can ask to my Xamarin Studio. Wait, yeah, isn't it Xamarin on top of MonoDevelop? I want this. This is what I want. I want this. Yes, in my face, please. Download the window theme, this, then select Edit Preference, Visual Studio, User Interface. Okay, hang on. Edit, preference, visual style. There's no preference right there. Super. I think I'm not on the right thing in a way.
Oh my god.
Visual style. What's up?
I found a relative line number ruler. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now.
You can search on Google for Visual Studio Dark Theme for Modo Develop, okay? Like,
Pretty sure that's what you
I'm doing
did, right?
now. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do right now. Edit preference, visual style. There's no edit preference. Like edit, there's no preference. So I feel like this is not. Yeah, this is Modo Develop. So I can download this on Tar and Theme, but Modo Develop here, no. Modo Develop here then. Mono.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to go back and relearn all of my Vim shortcuts.
Ah, it's in Unity, okay. Yeah. I don't know how.
Why even choose
that.
Mono Develop above Visual Studio? Because it's faster.
That's what I'm looking. Yeah, I'm giving it a shot. Yeah, that's all good, but that's not what I want. The actual thing. Anyway, I'm gonna ask my friend. It'll be easier. Mono Develop is very unstable and will cause even more back screen of that. Well, my friend, it's not even on the same computer, and then you will regret it. Noligma, that gives me well, that's one opinion, and again, there's one of my friends who actually prefer Mono Develop and has been working with it for the past 3 years. So I don't know. I want to test it out myself. I don't think that Mono Develop will make more blue screen of death, even if that happened only on my other computer. And please don't waste your time learning it while it's in text editor. So actually, it's already learned. Nympheus! Nympheus! Oh my god! 4 months and still fighting. Nympheus, how have you been doing, man? How you been doing?
Nympheus! Oh my god!
Yes. Okay. I feel that I have to go, actually.
Yeah, I should probably.
It's already 5 p.m. and we have done like 0 code. Although it was very cool, though. Like I like to talk about, you know, once a week or once every 2 weeks or something like that. I think it's good to just like remind ourselves, like, what are other tools, and just question our tools, and you know, just talk about code in general. So I really like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know what? I found there was a plugin that I'm gonna try and use a lot.
There you go. Sweet. Workflow is better, now better. Boop, 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 boop.
Yes. And if it works a lot, if I find that it's really, really helpful, I'll show you. It literally just all I did was
give me a
put
demo.
the thing in. Yeah, put the thing in FTT and was like, "Hey, download this," and it runs. Like I was crossing my fingers because last time I did that, it actually crashed FTT when it tried to start up, and I had to go in and delete all of my plugins files like in the FTT directory. It was not fun. But it works.
All right. So, man, I'm gonna close the screen. So this stream actually. So
Sounds good, dude.
Love you, Kojak. See you soon.
Later,
Tomorrow,
man.
by the way, tomorrow, if you want to play Warframe, I might want to play Warframe with you.
That sounds like a lot of fun, and I am totally down.
Alright, see that tomorrow then. See you, man.
Sounds good, dude. Later.
Love him. Kojak is such an awesome dude. Love him. Alright, guys, on those beautiful notes, I'm not even doing the intro. I'm gonna put in the outro already. Like this. Where is it? Voila! Voila! Let's see where else is there. Warframe for the win. The 8-bit drummer, there we go. The 8-bit drummer, love him. I want him to actually use Stream RPG 1 point. So I'm gonna host this guy. Let's go punch him in the face, guys. Thank you very much for watching, guys. As usual, you can follow the channel. We can do all those beautiful stuff. You can follow the channel. Please do it.
Do it!
Follow the channel.
Just do it!
And yeah, you can rewatch everything on YouTube if you want. Thank you very much for being there today, guys. It was very chill. Not much work has been done, but you know, it's time to relax sometimes. It's pretty cool. Boom! Thank you very much, guys. I love you all. You guys are the best, especially you. Goodbye.